Welcome to class. Grab your book and pen and get ready to learn.
Let us factorize 10 minus x squared minus 3x is equals to 0. Like I said previously, to factorize any quadratic equation, you need to identify the a, b, and c. An easy way to make this very convenient for you is to rearrange this equation to look like the general quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So, try to rearrange this. That means my term that have x squared, I will bring it forward. So, the term that have x squared here is minus x squared. So, I'll bring it out. Minus x squared. Then the term that has x is minus 3x. I'll bring it out. Minus 3x. Then the term, my constant, the term without x, there's an invisible plus here. That is plus 10 equals to 0. This equation and the one rearranged there are perfectly the same thing. So comparing with the parents, the general quadratic equation, that means my a is equals to minus 1. Minus 1. My b is minus 3. And c is 10. Plus 10. Like I said in the previous lesson, I need to obtain my AC, which is a times c. Minus 1 times 10, which is minus 10. And the b is minus 3. So we need two numbers whose product will give us minus 10 and whose sum will give minus 3. We can start thinking about all the factors of 10. Factors of 10, I have 1 and 10. I have 5 and 2. It can be plus 5 and minus 2. It can be minus 5 and plus 2. It can be minus 10 and plus 1. It can be plus 10 and minus 1. So you try all the possible factors. Finding the product, then finding out which of them will give a sum of minus 3. Let's see. I want to start by trying minus 10 plus 1. Then I will try plus 10 minus 1. Then I will try positive 5 times minus 2. Then I will try negative 5 times positive 2. All of this will give me product of minus 10. All of this will give product of minus 10 because minus times plus is minus, 10 times 1 is 10 rather. Plus times minus is minus, 5 times 2 is 10. So all of them will give, each of them will give a product of 10. So let's test the sum of which will give us b, which is minus 3. So I have minus 10 plus 1, minus 10 plus 1 will give me minus 9. Definitely that is not the fact, those are not the factors I need. Then I have positive 10 minus 1, that will give positive 9. That does not correspond with the minus 3 I need. Then I have plus 5 and minus 2, plus 5 times minus 2 will give me plus 3. Plus 3 does not correspond with the b I have, so that is not what I need. Then I have minus 5 and plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 will give me minus 3. And minus 3 is actually what my b is. So these are the numbers I need. Minus 5 and plus 2. And like I said in the previous lesson, you'll be using the minus 5 plus 2 to expand your bx. This is my bx. So instead of me to write minus x squared minus 3x plus 10 equals to 0, I'll be writing minus x squared minus 5x plus 2x plus 10 equals to 0. So replacing my minus 3x by minus 5x plus 2x. Now I have the four terms. I'm going to group into two using my bracket. First group and the second group. Then we factor out common factors. We bring out common factors. Common to the first bracket is minus. Minus is common. Then what else is common? X is common to x squared and 5x. I bring out my x. So minus x in minus x squared, I am left with x. Minus divided by minus is plus. 5x divided by x is 5. And I am done with that bracket. The second bracket, common to the second bracket is plus. Plus is common. Then looking at 2x and 10. 2 is common to 2x and 10. So I bring out 2. 2x divided by 2, I'm left with x. 10 divided by plus 2, I'm left with plus 5, equals to 0. The next thing is to take the factors outside and one of the identical brackets, so that I have minus x plus 2, those are the factors outside. Then one of the identical brackets, x plus 5, equals to 0. This means minus x plus 2 is equals to 0, or x plus 5 is equals to 0. Solving for x now, I can decide to bring my minus x outside, so that I have 2 is equals to x. When I bring the minus x outside, it becomes positive x. So 2 is equals to x, or x is equals to, bringing the 5 outside, I have the plus 5 changing to minus 5. So I have x is equals to minus 5, giving us a solution that x is equals to 2, or x is equals to minus 5. Equals to 2, or x is equals to minus 5. Make sure you solve more problems by yourself. And that is the only way you can say that you know how to factorize quadratic equations.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting lessons.